Now that is some badass can art. Hey everybody, Wayne's Beer Delivery. We're back delivering another beer review. Thank you so much for everyone that's continuing to watch my videos and whatnot. It means a lot to me. And if you're new around here and you're not subscribed, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. And if you got any questions or any comments or whatnot in the videos, drop me a comments in the comments box. And with that, let's go to our beer review. We've got Dia de los Deftones. This is a Mexican style lager from Belching Beaver Brewery. Say that 3 times fast. That's out of Oceanside, California. So that is fantastic artwork on the can. I'm sure it's probably in like supposed to be like for the Day of the Dead, which is usually right after Halloween. We're a little late, here in our seasonal beers. We don't always follow the seasons as they're supposed to be. This is Deftones. Yes, the band. I haven't listened to them in a while, so I might have to put my headphones on and start jamming some more to them. Let's see. Not much else on the can except for it says damn good times. That's what we're about to have. So let's crack her open, pour out, and see what we're working with here. Deftones Mexican style lager. Okay. Let's give it just a minute to settle down. Alright, so this beer is one of the ones I got in the big box from my friend Brian James out of Texas, Beer with B on Instagram. So this beer's traveled all the way from California to Texas to South Carolina. Appreciate it, man. Now, let's check on that beer. That's a lager. Very clear. A little condensation on there. Nice white head. Nice golden color. It's got that nice lager, Pilsner type aroma to it. Maybe you guys in the comments can educate me on what makes a Mexican style lager a Mexican style lager. Like, what's the difference? I've been at this game for 2 years and I haven't figured it out yet. Of course, I haven't really researched it. I just like drinking them. So, to Brian and to all my faithful viewers and new viewers, ladies and gents, cheers. Another taste. Maybe a Mexican style lager is a regular lager. Maybe it's add a sea salt pinch of sea salt in there. It didn't say it on the can, but it almost tastes like it's got a little bit of lime to it, like salted lime. But at 5%, this is very crisp, very refreshing, highly drinkable. So I will top the rest of this off, and I will finish this one out. Again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the videos. And let's keep on. Ladies and gents, until the next video. Cheers. We'll see you soon.